Hello everyone! Thanks for coming and watching my channel. Today I'm going to do a Good Fortune unboxing, but I also wanted to explain a little bit about it as people have been asking me what it is. So I guess in my videos I don't explain it very well, so I'm going to try to do it today. So what is the Good Fortune box? This little box of goodies, this one is packed. But it's made by teachers for teachers. So the Good Fortune Box friends that started this actually teach for VIP Kid, just like I do. And they started making boxes like with the different Chinese culture and things in here. So I never know what's in them. They're always super fun. Okay, my very favorite thing, I just have to show you this really quick. My very favorite thing from one of these boxes is my China map that I probably use not daily, but very often in my classes. So I love that. I've gotten some great t-shirts. It says Online Educator. There's been candles and stuff to take care of yourself. There's a cup. All kinds of things have been in these boxes, and they've all been a lot of fun to open. It is, I believe, $31 now. It was $25 and then $6 for shipping. If you use my code below, you will get $5 off, and I do too. So that's super fun. What else did I want to tell you? If you have any questions, please put them below. I'm not sure what everybody wants to know other than what's in the Good Fortune box. All right, well, let's get started. Let's check this one out. Take a look. I have no idea what's in it. I haven't opened it yet. So what I do like is they're always wrapped super cute. Has a little sticker. It says created by online teachers. Created for online teachers by online teachers. And there's always, so far, has been a little postcard with what's inside. So I'm going to open the packaging. I try not to rip it, but you know. One great thing about these is you save the old boxes, you save this box, and then you fill it with goodies. Maybe something you're not using, some props or anything, something like that. I've printed some props, put them in here, and sent them to 2 new teachers, so that was a lot of fun. I've also received boxes from other teachers, so. All right. Oh, I love the color of this t-shirt. It says, my favorite people call me teacher. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, I miss my students so much. Well, I miss my in-class students, but I love seeing my online students, so it's kind of a catch-22. Okay, let's see. Wow, this box is so much fun. What is this? Online Educator. Hey, look at that. I just happened to wear the shirt today. Didn't know that was in there. Wow, I love these. I think I need to use these together. Super cute Good Fortune box. Thank you, Rachel and Sam. I'm loving it. I've only looked at 2 things in the box. Let's see. They call me Teacher Shirt. This tee is sure to be the new apple of your eye. The message is fitting for all teaching environments. Virtual classroom, homeschool, brick and mortar, etc. Who calls you teacher? Great point. That Online Educator Apple Tote, you can use this versatile bag to pack up your favorite props while traveling or to carry the essentials when you're on the go. Another great thing. Let's see, what else do we have? This is for luggage. Let's see. Keychain. Perfectly plaid keychain. Fall in love with this patterned wristlet that makes for the perfect accessory. You'll never leave home without your keys again. I'm going to say this is the keychain. Mine doesn't have any decorations on it, but I think that's what it is. If not, I'll let you know. Let's see. 4 Seasons tree display. Maybe that's this one. Oh, fall, spring. I don't know how to do it. Oh, look at that. I see. Ah, winter, fall. So cute. Summer, And spring. Man, I needed this for my classes this morning. I just did the seasons lesson this morning. That's super cute. That is, as we transition into a new time of the year, grab this multi-use piece to teach the changing seasons, weather, clothing, and more. You can choose to have it stand alone on your desk or fold it up to store away. Mooncake prop. This looks like an actual mooncake. Mooncake prop. Chinese families around the world are celebrating Mid-Autumn Festival on October 1st. Many are traveling for reunions, eating big family meals, lighting lanterns, and enjoying delicious mooncakes. Use your own mooncake as a conversation piece during this time of year and in all lessons related to celebrations. So I'm thinking it's like a little foam piece, but it looks so real. I'll open this so you can see it. Oh, so much fun! I have a mooncake! Okay, let's see. I need to put that somewhere. After this, I'm going to upload my mooncake tasting. So I haven't tried any of them yet, but I'm going to do it after this. So after you watch this video, maybe you can head over and see if I like them or not. I'm a little bit nervous to do this live and in front of everybody because I don't want anyone getting upset if I'm like, ooh, but I'll give them a try. I'll see. I'll try anything once. Okay, Stash Tea. Stash Tea in fall's favorite flavors. Welcome to the new cooler season by sipping on this special assortment of non-GMO, all-natural teas. Be sure to let us know which one was your favorite. Ooh. Decaf pumpkin spice, spiced dragon red chai, and cinnamon apple chamomile. I'm thinking the cinnamon apple might be my favorite, but I don't know. I'll have to give them a try and let you know. Those are neat. Art, print, and stand. Place this motivational reminder in a spot you'll see every day. The card slides into the slot of the wooden stand. The back features a habit tracker where you can monitor your progress for up to 5 goals in the month of October. What is your goal for October? Well, actually, guys, I just started. Today is day 3 of my Jenny Craig journey. So my goal for October is to start getting healthy. I've been doing yoga and started Jenny Craig. So I am super excited. This is so neat. It says, in a gentle way, you can shake the world. Gandhi. Wow. And it comes with this little stand. See, guys, these are things I would never think about. Without the good fortune sending me some really neat things, I don't think about them. So, super cool. All right, let's see. And in every box, there's a fortune cookie. And let's see what my fortune is today. Don't judge a day by the harvest you reap, but the seeds you plant. Wow. I think I needed to hear that today as I'm trying to work on building a course for people on, well, it's about moving. So how to stay, keep in good with your relationships and how to move, a moving checklist. So I've got all of these things I'm working on. So I think planting seeds now is a perfect fortune for me. Okay, and one more thing I wanted to tell you is they always have some type of spotlight for a teacher. Spotlight designer. Natalie Wren is a talented artist from Tampa, Florida that specializes in beautiful digital planners. Oh, this month she has created one specifically for online teachers. The 3-month sample teacher planner debuts on October 2nd, so go check that out. Only for Good Fortune Box subscribers. So you'll need to subscribe to go check it out. You'll receive instructions for how to use the 2020 planner on the release day in our digital newsletter email. And then you can go to her Etsy shop, www.etsy.com/shop/Natalie Wren Studio, and check out her planners, her notebooks, and inserts. So super cool. This is my September 2020 Good Fortune box. So guys, if you have any questions, something you want to know about Good Fortune, please put them in the comments below so that I make sure I answer them right away, and I will do it again in my next video. So, that's all I have for you today. I'm super excited you've all tuned in, and hopefully you've made it to this almost 10-minute video, and I'll see you next time, everybody. Happy teaching! And a little quick update. As I was sitting here looking, it does have the plaid in the middle. I don't know why I found that so funny and thought I would share. So there is a plaid design. It's just on the other side. There's my keychain. Bye.